Hi everyone, and thanks for watching. I am back with another destash. This is the second lot of my dies, and I have numbered them this time to save any confusion. Half of my other ones have gone, but there's still some for sale, but I have another 40 here. Most of them are £1, but there are a few that are £2, but I've got them separately priced. So if I don't say otherwise, then they're £1. If I say they're £2, they're £2. So let's get through these. There are some really good ones in here. So let me put them to the side here. The first one we have are these two girls, and they are super cute. And if you can see them, so there's two little girls there. That's number 41. And then we have another little girl, a little dress there with a hat and shoes as well. And then two more little girls, which they're just absolutely gorgeous. And when you cut out the bits and change all their dresses up and that, they are really adorable. So these are all £1 because I haven't said otherwise. Then we have these two mermaid ones, which says, oh, I love unicorns and amazing. There's three dies actually in here. There's a unicorn and two mermaid sort of themed ones. It says I love unicorns, and it's got a unicorn head, and amazing. Then we have this big background die. This is gorgeous. Cost me £2.44, and I didn't buy it that long ago, so get yourself a bargain there. Then we have this row of, oh, hello Bing, row of cat paws, just like a strip border one. And then this one here makes a little baby that sort of stands up. It's like a little baby treat box thing. There's the baby's head. I couldn't sit and cut them all out to show you because it would have took me ages, but it cuts out a little baby, and he's got little legs, and he's like a little treat holder there. These make flowers. There's two in here. One is a rose with a leaf, and this one you make all the petals and then put it all together. So there's two dies in that one. Number 48. Sorry if you can't see the numbers, so sorry. 48. Do you want me to go through them? Hang on, let me show you. Right, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. I'm so sorry I did not show you or tell you the numbers. I put the numbers on there so that we wouldn't get confused. Right, 49. It's this lovely borders. So this has got several different dies in there, and it makes gorgeous, you know, like on the edge of a envelope. Oh, we've got Mr. Bing joining us today. You're going to be nice. So that's number 49. Right, sit down like Charles does then. That's it. You're not used to this, are you? This is Mr. Bing. Let me zoom out a bit. This is Mr. Bing. This is the baby that's not been very well, have you, baby? Right, come on, you're going to have to go sit over there for a minute. Right, number 50. These are, whoops, cats. They make cat. Ugh. We already had one. I had two of these. Very similar. One makes a cat. One has a cat with paws. And then you've got the little pauses. So there's two dies there, and there's paws as well. So that's number 50. 51 is this little row of pussycats. Look at them. So cute. Makes this little row. So that's number 51. Little row of cats. Then we have this great big lovely gorgeous dummy or pacifier. Look how beautiful that is, and this is really gorgeous when it's cut out. That's number 52. 53 are these gorgeous flowers. 54 you have now there's a strip of leaves, a twig of leaves, and a bigger leaf. So that's number 54. 55 is this gorgeous ornate heart, and then you've got the stitched hearts in the center. There's 3 dies there. That's number 55. 56 is this lovely edge, like a fence. Just gorgeous ornate fence. And we have this gorgeous fan die. There's 2 dies there, so you can have a plain fan or you can have the decorative fan. That's number 57. 58 is this, like, it's like a man and a woman. Let me just pull this out to show you. If I can take this out of the pack. No, don't start doing that. Right. Now, it is, you can probably see it better this way. It's like a suit, jacket, trousers, and a dress. So it's almost like a bride and a groom. Right, stop it, because you can't see, look. So that's number 58. 59 is another gorgeous edge, beautiful edge. And I've also put a flower die in there as well as an extra. That's 59. 60, we have this car and road. So you make a road track to go across your card, and then you've got a little car. And then this one is a little a tray with goodies on, just like a little tray that you have over your lap. Just these are random, I know, very random, but 60 that is. Right, 61 is this little dress. It's just a dress basically, but this folds into a dress, like a 3D dress. That one. 62 is this lovely thank you that goes across your cards, if I can get it out. It's just a lovely thanks, it says, and it goes across your card, and you can actually do more than one and do them in like rainbow colours down your card. It's actually really cute. Can't really see the effect of it because I have not cut any out, because it would have took me way too long. That's number 62. Right, 63 is this gorgeous, is it Tonic Studios. It's like a, it's got 7 dies there, and it makes these gorgeous pocket. There's lots, and then you've got the flowers to go on it separately, so that's 63. 64, it is £2 for this one, but that's because there are all these Mr. Men dies, so these are great for the kids, but they've had their fun with them. So you've got Mr. Bump, Little Miss Birthday, Mr. Happy, Mr. Greedy, and then you've got 2 other ones, which I'm not sure who they are. So there's 6 dies in there. So that one is £2. That's number 64. 65, oh, these gorgeous baby shoes. Oh, this is adorable die. Really super cute. Number 65. 66, we have another gorgeous flourish edge, and it has got the separate die so that you can make the edge of the card. You know, I haven't broke it off because I haven't used it. So there is a couple of dies in here so that you can do it as it's inset into the card or as an edge. So that's 66. 67 is another fence, but it's got hearts all across it. So it's like a little picket fence with hearts. 67. 68, there are a couple of dies in here. I can open them out. This is number 68, and you've got a happy birthday, and then you've got the happy birthday that goes down the card as well. So you've got the 2 happy birthdays. That's number 68. 69, there are 4 dies in here, I believe, and you have a baby bib, a rocking horse, a onesie, and a little pram. It's number 69. Number 70 is this lovely, gorgeous, it says baby, it's this way, it says baby, and these little things hang down with the letters spelling out baby, and then you've got little toys on them, but these just hang down from this triangle. It's super cute. Number 70. 71 is this lock and key, intricate lock and key, number 71. Now 72 is £2, but you get a whole lot of dies in here. This is a lot of dies. So in this one, you get a corner, you get the flowers, you get all of these edges, and inside it says something for you. Just for you, sorry, just for you. So you've got all of these centers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12 dies in here for £2. So that's number 72. Lots of dies to have fun with. 73 is also £2, and oops, let me show you this one. This has a lot of dies in here as well. If I can get into it. Right, so this is 73, and as you can see, you've got all of these circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles, and then the edge die. That's number 73, and that's £2. 74 is also £2. It's a great big doily die, huge. 75 is also £2, but look how many you get in here. This is a big pack of dies, actually. This one, there are loads. You have all of these hearts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hearts. For someone special, it says. You've got a little heart button, you've got little corner pieces, and then you have a border piece. So this is a lot of dies for £2. That's number 75. Number 76 are these gorgeous frames. You've got the 2 frames, and then you've got a little corner edge piece there. That's number 76. Nice and big. 74 is also £2, and you get all of these lovely dies in here. So you've got great big huge oval one, and then you've got a couple of other ones there as well. So that one even comes apart. So 2, 3, 4, there's 5 dies in there. That's 77, and that one is £2. And we've got 78, which is this great big huge, it's a fold over for a card, or you can use it as a pocket, but it is massive. It's a really big die, but you use it to make like invitations, etc. It's number 78. 79, we're back to the pound ones. It's the heart with like a jacket, like a suit in the middle with a bow tie. That one. And then 80, I've just put a couple of spare like odd dies in here. I think there's quite a few. So this one's just £1, and you've got love, you've got some snowflakes, and you've got a honeycomb, and that one's £1, number 80. So they are all up for sale. If you can just message me below if you want any, and can email me where you are and which ones you would like, and I'll get back to you. So thanks for watching, and thank you so much for everyone who's shown an interest in these dies, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.